Hello friends, today we are on the second discussion on limit, and today our topic is the limits to infinity. Let's in the previous video already we have described what is the meaning of limit in mathematics is. Now here today we are starting with an interesting example, and that is 1 divided by infinity. What is the value of 1 by infinity? Answer: we don't know. We don't know, and we know why. The simplest reason is that infinity is not a number. It is particularly an idea. What is the meaning of infinity is? Now, infinity is a point that is beyond our imagination. So, infinity is a point that is beyond our imagination. So 1 by infinity is a bit like saying, we can say that is 1 by chair or 1 by education. So maybe we could say that 1 by infinity is equal to 0. No, but that is a problem too, because if we divide 1 into infinite number of pieces and they end up 0 each, what happened to the 1? In fact, 1 by infinity is known to be the value that is undefined, but we can approach it. And how we can approach? Now, in the concept of limit. So instead of trying to work it for the infinity, we are just getting with some graphical method. Let x, and the function is 1 by x. The first value when x is equal to 1, the value of 1 by x is by default 1. So that is the value of x, and that is the value of 1 by x. When the value of 2, x is equal to 2, we are getting the value of 1 by x is equal to 0.5 or half. When the value of x is equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, here the value of 1 by x or the function is 0.25. Here that is 0.5. Now, in that manner, we are just approaching up to infinite. That means we are just increasing the value of x. So, by default value of increases and going to a very big number. That means 1, 2, 4, 10 up to 1000, then 10,000, and that means x is tending to infinity. So, when x is tending to infinity, that means the value of 1 by x just decreases, but never reaches to 0. Never. So according to the graph, we can say the graph is decreasing and the functional value of the function 1 by x just decreasing and decreasing, but never reaches the value 0. So that is the way we can now define the functional value of 1 by x. Now we can see that x gets larger, 1 by x tends towards 0. So we are now faced with an interesting situation. We cannot say what happens when x gets to infinity, but we can see that 1 by x is going towards 0. That means when x tends to infinity, that 1 by x tends to 0. We want to give the answer 0, but we cannot. So instead, mathematicians say exactly what is going on by using the special word, and that is known as the limit. The limit of 1 by x as x approaches infinity is 0, and symbolically we write it as limit x tends to infinity, 1 by x is equal to 0, and that is the another conception of limit. How limit can find out the limiting value of any function. In other words, as x approaches infinity, then 1 by x approaches 0. When you see limit, think approaching that particular term. Limit means approaching. It is a mathematical way of saying we are not talking about when x is equal to infinity, the value of x is equal to infinity. But we know as x gets bigger and bigger and bigger, the answer gets closer and closer and closer to 0. So sometimes infinity cannot be used directly, but we can use as a limit. So limits approaching infinity. What is the limit of this function as x approaches infinity? In that particular function, in the before function already we have seen when x approaching to infinity, the 1 by x approaching to 0. Now suppose the function is 2x. So here we are writing that one as x tends to infinity, that is 1 by x, so that is 0. So what is happening when we are writing in that way? That means limit of x tends to infinity and the function is 2x. Obviously, as x gets larger, so does 2x, because that is the double of the value of the x. So when x tends to infinity, the 2x also gets to infinity, and that is a must. So as x approaches infinity, then 2x also approaches infinity. We write this in the way of limit x tends to infinity and 2x is equal to infinity also. But don't be fooled by the symbol, that is equality. We cannot actually get to infinity, but in limit language the limit is infinity. That is the main conception, which is really saying the function is limitless. So another topic, that is infinity and degree. The functions like 1 by x approaches to 0 as x approaches infinity. This is also true for 1 by x square, etc. That means 1 by x to the power n. When x tends to infinity, 1 by x to the power n also going to 0. As 1 by x also going to 0 or approaches to 0. A function such as x will approach infinity as well as 2x or x by 9 and so on. Likewise, the functions with x square or x cube, etc. which also approaches infinity. That means when x tends to infinity, as 2x approaches to infinity, x square or x to the power n also approaches to infinity. But be careful, a function like minus x will approach to minus infinity when x tends to infinity, but minus 2x must approaches to minus infinity, that is not plus infinity. Example, 2x square minus 5x. 2x square will head towards plus infinity. Minus 5x will head towards minus infinity. But x square grows more rapidly than x because that is square. So according to numerical calculation, it is going much faster than going to the minus infinity. So 2x square minus 5x will head towards plus infinity. In fact, when we look at the degree of the function, the highest exponent in the function, we can tell what is going to be happen. When the degree of the function is greater than 0, the limit is infinity or minus infinity. Less than 0, the limit is 0. But if the degree is 0 or unknown, then we need to work a bit harder to find a limit. So in the next video lecture, we will discuss about some properties on limit and how to solve